Hello guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a real $30 no deposit trading bonus that you can actually withdraw from. It's not a demo account and it's not a scam like so many of you will always say. So I'll be showing you the terms and conditions needed for withdrawal before this video ends. Okay, so listen, most people lose this bonus because they miss one simple step, and I'll be showing you exactly what that step is so you don't make the same mistake. Okay, also this bonus is available for all countries and you don't need any deposit, so make sure you watch till the end and like this particular video. Please just click on the like button right now so that YouTube can push it to more people. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. So if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. So let's talk about the terms and conditions. Okay, so to claim this bonus, you must complete a few easy steps. So the first one is what? Creating a new trading account at Alton Broker. That's the name of the broker. Okay, so you have to enter your accurate personal details in the registration form. Then you finish completing the KYC verification process that is required by the broker. Then your trading account will automatically receive the $30 no deposit bonus after your account has been approved. Then you may now begin trading Forex pairs, and we'll need to complete the required volume of transactions to qualify for the bonus. So you can see the trading conditions right here. Before traders can withdraw profit, before you can be able to withdraw, the following eligibility requirements must be met by traders. So the first one is what? Bonus amounts of $30. Then your Forex pairs only, your 7 lots minimum trading volume, you'll be needing 7 lot size. Then the 15-day time limit, and at least 120 seconds for the minimum trade duration. Then the maximum bonus funded for trading is $30 and the maximum profit to withdraw is $70. Okay, so we also have them right here, the terms and conditions. I've said it before, but I'll still repeat it again. So the new customers are the only recipients of this promotion, okay, which is a $30 no deposit bonus. So trading can only take place on Forex pairs with a bonus, and the trade must remain open for at least 120 seconds for it to qualify, and all 7 lots must be completed within 15 days. And for you to be eligible for withdrawal, the maximum amount that can be withdrawn is $70. Okay, so the Alton broker reserves the right to revoke bonuses and profits resulting from any violation of the bonus terms. So if the KYC information provided is inaccurate or does not match what is on record, your account may be suspended. So make sure your KYC verification is accurate. So before participating, ensure that you read through the most recent versions of the terms and conditions on the Autumn Broker official website. So these are the terms and conditions that you'll be needing to claim the bonus, and you also be needing it for withdrawal. Okay, so you can still go through it. You can go through it. Okay, so we have them listed here. You can just go through it. Okay, so this is the site right here, and the name of the broker is Autumn. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing now is to register. So we're going to be clicking on this 3 icon up here. So we'll click on register. As you can see, it is loading. Okay, so the next thing to do is to choose your wallet currency, then fill in the registration form. You input your first name, your last name, your email, your date of birth, residence currency, your phone number, your password, you repeat password, you agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on I am human, then you now click on what? Register. Okay, so I've done that already. So after that, the next thing for you to do is to verify your email. Okay, so as you can see, I've registered successfully. So the next thing to do is to verify your email. So I'm just going to head on to my email right now so that I can verify. Okay, so this is the message right here, support message, verify your email. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on verify your email. Okay, so my email is verified already. As you can see, this is my dashboard and I've gotten my client ID. Okay, so the next thing for us to do now is to verify our document. Okay, so we're going to be starting with our personal details. So I'm going to be inputting my first name, my last name, my country, address line, state, email, date of birth, phone number, city. Okay, zip code. So once I'm done doing all that, as you can see, I'm filling mine right now. I'm filling it. So once you're done doing all that, then you click on submit. Okay, so I'm still filling mine. I'm done already, so I'll just click on submit. Okay, so you can see profile completed. Thank you for submitting. Please complete the remaining steps for approval. So I'll go to the next step, then also fill in my economic profile. So you can see it. What is your employment status? I'm going to fill that in. What is your source of your trading funds? I'm going to fill that also. Okay, I'm going to fill the 4 of them. What's your estimated net worth and what's your trading experience? So once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to click on submit. So you can see that the form has been submitted successfully. So we're going to move to the next step, which is we uploading our document. Okay, so it is loading. So we're going to be uploading our identity document and our proof of address. Okay, so you can upload any one of your choice. You can upload your ID card, you can upload your passport, you can upload your driver license, and for the proof of address, you can upload your utility bill, your bank statement, and so on. Okay, so you're just going to click on start verification. So once you click on start verification, that is when you're going to be uploading your, like me now, I uploaded my ID card, the front and the back, then your proof of address. You can make use of your bank statement. Okay, so once you're done doing that, so after completing the KYC verification process that is required by the broker, then your trading account will automatically receive the $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, so after your account has been approved, you may now begin trading Forex pairs and will need to complete the required volume of transaction to qualify for the bonus. So it's as simple as that. So if you know that this video helped you, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss new free bonuses like this. And the link, the bonus link, is in the description below. Comment the country where you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.